How to fix Halo Infinite no ping to our data centers detected error on Windows. 1. Check the server status. 2. Test and troubleshoot. Your internet connection. 3. Verify the game files. In Steam. 4. Update your network driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Configure DNS settings. 5.1 Flush your DNS via IP protocol configuration / flushes command as admin. 5.2 Switch to a public DNS server. 6. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide.